So welcome back to another video. I'm going to say it again, I need a haircut again. Just don't have bloody time to go and do it. Anyway, sorry my screen's cracked as well. Wait there. Right, hopefully that's clear. So what I'm going to do is, we're going to put you on this. I'll show you first what we're doing this job wise. We've got a big box there, Renault box. We've got a Renault here, and then we've got a top sun visor that's damaged. So came out to it yesterday, ordered the parts, and now we're going to fit it. So we're going to get the ladder ready, get the GoPro set up. I'll put it on my chest and see how it goes. If not, I'll put it on my head, but I don't really want to be doing that because it just looks fucking stupid. So anyway, let's get the ladder set up, let's get everything out of the box, check it all, make sure we've got the right part, and let's get cracking on with it. Recording, there we go. Right, anyway, so let's make sure what's in this box is, I don't know this is like, I'm sorry, it's bad. I'm going to invest in a microphone as well, because I think, talking of YouTube quickly, I've been watching a lot of this lad, you might have seen him, the Scottish Tech. Been watching a lot of his videos lately, really enjoyable, good videos, good videos. So, does that look like that? Potentially, we need to get this wrapping out. Yeah, it looks about right, doesn't it? Okay, so let's get my ear out. Right, so looking at this, I'm going to put that there because it's fucked anyway. I've got my little these couple of mounting bolts. Fucking lost the wheel. There. Straighten that up here. And then ladder. Problem is that this ladder doesn't have a halfway mode. It has a all or nothing. But just wondering whether that bit there. Can get that bit. It's got like a little washer on it. Okay. So that should be nearest down it secured off there. Yeah. And then there. Tell you what, for a little £3 this thing is really good. Really, really good. Move it across there. Probably isn't the right way to do it really, but it is what it is, isn't it? Fuck off. Yeah. Right. So technically they're all out. should probably fall down. I might look. Like that. Move that pan out of the way. Like that. This ladder might cause me an issue. Oh dear. Tell you what. We'll get a bar. Big bar. Where's my bar gone? The problem I've got is that the ladder I can't get. It's too high in some respects. It's not one or the other, is it? Lock it a bit. Oh, that should really lock out now. It doesn't. No. Anyone's got suggestions how to put this ladder, please let me know. Oh. So as expected, it fell down. So what I need to do is, I'm assuming them rubber bits have got to come out of it here. They've got to come out and go into a new one. So I really need to get the new one, put it on the box and have a look. Where's me at? Right. So what I've done is I basically just struggled. That's basically it. I've got some of the bolts in, but it's the bottom ones that are proving to be a bit fiddly. The ladder. The other side, and we've got the corners in. Just fucking awkward, isn't it? It's an awkward position. Maybe I need to get some like step ladders. Yeah, handy, wouldn't it? Right, couple of bolts left here. I need a big washer. Found the washer. Like that. Get there in the end, don't we? We'll always find a way. So we've got two in the middle that needs to go on. I think should be three. So we need to find a way to get there. So, I don't know how much of that you've seen. I'll just try to record the best I can. That's it done. We'll give it a wipe over, you know, make sure it's decent and clean. Pack my stuff away now. I've literally got a van full of crap that I need to now get rid of. Should have just got a long wheelbase at this rate, ain't I? I don't want a long wheelbase because it'd just be a nightmare to park over. My mate's got a long wheelbase. And when we've been to your local supermarket, it's a pain. It is a pain to park. So, let's pack it away. Let's get back on the road. So yeah, anyway, so as I was saying, I've been watching Scottish Tech. I'm going to actually put a link down to his channel down below, because I generally really like it. It's good content, and he's done really well for himself, you know, 2 vans and everything, and seeing the other day got a pickup and a trailer, so yeah, it's nice to, I like seeing people do well, you know, it's good to see him do well and whatnot. So anyway, let's put my ladders away, find a bin, truck all this crap away, and let's get on the road, and then maybe we'll have a little chat, we'll see what happens, and we'll go from there. So, been asked to look at one this block not working, and I think we can see why. That snapped. So just like a normal brake chamber, we're going to undo the pipe, undo the split pin there, undo the nuts, and let's get it off. Okay, so let's get the pipe off. Nice and easy. Shit. Nice and easy there. Undo this. Get that out of there. And then I've pre-lubed the nuts. So hopefully they come undone. It says. Which they won't. Fucking hell, that's tight. So what I'm going to do is, because there isn't a great deal of room, as expected, and these are tight, I'm going to give it a go with a little bit of persuasion. Get that done. Doesn't like this and gas and that. All the trigger's gone. Don't be like this. Hit the old piece. I'm going to heat these, and then we'll try and see if this will come undone. So what I've decided is that this is the way to go. I'm going to get that pin out, and I'm just going to get the grinder. I'm going to go straight off, to be honest with you, because that is really tight. I'll give it a chance. I'll be nice. I will heat you up and try to undo you, but it just doesn't want to do it. So fuck it. I'm going to cut it off. Because I like to keep my pretty eyes, I'm going to cut it off with goggles on. That is the right thing to do. What isn't right is so I've got to get this split pen out. Wow, it's been flat again. Right, I'm going to get this pen out, get the yoke off of it, and then I'm going to cut these off and get the fucker off. So, as you can see, I had to cut the rod off to get it out, but that was not far away from the springs broke anyway. So, we ain't going to do anything now, but we'll get this unit off here, we'll stick it on the new one, cut the new one to shape, follow it all up, and then we'll test it and make sure it's alright. So, that's that job done. Fucking dirty already, man. It's only like 9 o'clock. But yeah, that's done. We'll test it, it's all okay. Nice easy job, just a little bit of cutting here and there, isn't it? So let's get cracking and then see what else we've got on. So it is Friday morning. It is 9:35. Was heading down to do some work, and my tyre has literally shit itself. So I'm currently in Birmingham stuck, waiting for this to come out and change the tyre. Yeah, it's just an absolute nightmare. I literally driving, and then I don't know what happened. It was just, I heard this sound rumbling. I was like, what the hell is that? So I kind of like pulled into the slaughter lane, and then it was just slowing down, and then I pulled over and I see smoke come out the back. Pulled over and then obviously blown the sidewall out of tyre. So you literally just could not make it up. I've had broke down, we've had blue fault with it, a tyre's gone on it. But other than that, what can you do, eh? It's just one of them things. So if you've seen a sprinter van at the side of the M6 anytime, that is me. So I'll keep you updated. This isn't how I expected the video to go, but it is what it is. We've got the tyre